What's up, guys? How's it been going? Like, what's the deal? What have you guys been doing? Like, I'm super excited to spend the weekend with y'all yet once again. Today, what's on the agenda is we are actually at the park. See? You see it? You guys see it? You see it? We're at Southfield Civic Center. If you guys haven't heard of that, it's a Michigan thing, Detroit, Southfield. We're here and we are going on a nature trail with the kitties. You guys excited? Are you? Are you excited? Let me adjust the lighting real quick.
We're on the hunt for the tree where it all started at.
Yeah, so we're going to show the kids a little surprise. Are you guys ready to go on this nature trail adventure? Okay, let's go, kitties.
We're trying to figure out which trail we're gonna go on. I think we're gonna do this long red one. Pat Squad! Gang. I had to interrupt this video real quick just to let y'all know. Whoever can count how many markers we passed in this video, go get a shout out on the next video. So make sure y'all commenting and leave it down below. Gang, squad! Even though my leg is killing me.
The red one?
This is like the spot one. This is the spot right here.
Red?
Yellow too short, blue too short, green too short. Let's knock it out.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Oh gosh, I forgot about this. This is such like a beautiful area.
Somebody left their baby. The baby pop.
Oh, that sucks. I feel like this is a super dope spot to take some pictures at.
Impromptu fashion shoot, man. It's been a while since I've been on the camera or even held it like this. Listen, we get ate up already. We've been in this mud for 2 seconds and the bugs are eating us, boy. That's crazy. Oh, Lily's not holding her sister's hand. Wow, what is that about? We're on the trail looking for the tree.
That's not nice.
Is this it? Oh, really? I don't remember nothing.
Wow, you guys. Me and Jeremiah used to come here all the time while we were kids. Or, I wouldn't say kids, we were adults. Oh, that's another place to do a photo shoot. And this is our first marker that we see here. They biting me up, y'all. They biting me up. Okay, second marker. Okay. Whoa, this is so dope, you guys. Just take a second and just enjoy. Oh, man, that's beautiful.
I think our tree's got knocked down.
Really? Did you? It looked like the same exact tree.
M, Kev, BC, Tommy.
Oh, wow.
Somebody might have carved us off.
Oh man.
That means we can't be together no more.
Well, I feel like it was right there. Yeah. Well, that means we got to start over somewhere else.
I got a good feeling. J and S. Is that us? Stay right here. Ooh, we should got some off.
Yeah.
Oh no. Look,
I
Mommy.
wonder how long would they stay on here?
I'm at the tree.
Yeah. I'm starting to think this is a bad idea. We done came out here with all these.
Let's just mark this one then. Oh shoot, what did we mark this with last time?
The car key won't work?
Okay, next time.
Next time. I still feel like we haven't seen it yet, even though these are the trees that we would have done it on. Our third marker, right over there. See, this is what happens when you're just trying to walk.
They might run to y'all. Right. Good looking.
They like, not today.
Is this it?
Yep.
Right now?
Is that it? No, it says JPAC.
What is the turtle? I just saw something. It's a K.
Oh, M-E? Was this what it was?
Right over here.
Okay, let's keep, woo, these, wow, they trying to get you, JPAC. Trying to get you.
It's all right.
Okay. Nope, that's not it.
Let's go.
Woo! Our fourth marker.
Here, Lovey.
Shout out to you, homie. Oh, is this it? Is this it? Woo! A bug just flew right into my eye.
Bam! Here it is. J-Pack and Bill made 10 years ago. Standing strong.
Yes.
We have a firm foundation. Look at this tree. Look at its roots.
Yes. This is more than 10 years old, you guys.
Look at mommy. So we found our tree, y'all. Look at mommy. Say cheese.
Okay.
Y'all see it.
Oh my God, why does Spice keep getting me?
Take that meal. 10 years. 10 years. 100 to go. Let's get it. We like 10 minutes in. Daddy's leading the pack. Y'all, listen, anybody in the Michigan area or anywhere around the world, you ever decide to go on a nature trail, dog, make sure you bring some off spray as we getting bit up. There's another marker right here.
Our 6th marker right there. I'm trying to walk ahead so I can get some dope photography shots or videography shots and stuff. I just pay attention to that, especially when editing. Like, you can appreciate the view. You can appreciate the view when it's like kind of like cinematic or something. Wait, we put our name in it? Oh wow. So J-Pat just found another tree where we put our name in it.
The Lord put some toothpaste on it. He said, y'all smell good in my eyes. Smell good in my eyes. Smell good in my eyes. My eyes. Man, and J-Pop.
Wow, Jeremiah.
Look at that. Isn't that cool, guys?
Wow, that's super dope. I didn't even know that.
Let's keep it moving. So let's do what we about to do because we're about to get out of here.
Oh, that was our 7th marker back there. I've been trying to keep up with it. That's our 8th marker right there. Let's go. Let's get it. It's a bear. Run. Run. You gonna stop for a stick? Girl. I'm disappointed. 9th marker. Let's get it. Let's have some dope nature fun family time. Ouch. We getting bit up, y'all. Here go our 10th marker.
It was like 6 big black dudes. And like, we let them go in front of us. Like 5 seconds later, they was walking back the other way like, hey y'all, there's some deers in here. I'm talking like some football players. Y'all probably sitting at the beginning. They like, no man, we turned around. There's some deers in here. Well, what's supposed to be
In nature. Yeah. Here is our 11th marker.
Here's one of my favorite parts, guys.
Oh, I think we made it to the end, you guys.
Going deep in there. You know what's missing over here?
The bench. Where's the bench?
Bench. This bench is where Lily was born.
No, it's not, Jeremiah.
You were conceived right here.
Jeremiah, don't
on
say
this
that.
bench.
Although we've come to the end. Oh.
Okay, this is the final stretch.
Come on, go.
Let's go.
This is our last marker. Hey, did y'all count all the markers yet? Like, if y'all did, then I need y'all to comment down below. Don't forget. See y'all.
That's the final stretch. Now let's run. Come on. Hold your sticks up. Sticks up, Susu. Hold your sticks up.
Straight out of Diamond Star Production.
Okay. Drop it like a hot bitch. Hey, look at Lily. Yeah. Alright, let's get out of here.
Straight out of Diamond Star Production.
Gang!
Jeremiah's breath done broke the camera.
Apparently, it must be the anointing that's on me.
No, but I'm super excited that we finished the vlog. We brought the kids out to where our spot used to be.
When they gonna see this next week?
Yeah, they gonna see it for the
By the time
weekend.
y'all see this, it's gonna be, I
Yep.
don't know, it don't even matter.
You guys always spend the weekend with us.
Y'all
so.
spend the weekend with us. because we know it's y'all time to be free. We know we want to
Get up close and personal.
Get up close and personal. Show y'all our dad. You feel me? Get your nipple off me. Okay. He's a nippleton. Okay. It's like no.
That should be your. We should make a shirt like that.
He's on nipples and then has some breasts.
Oh no, never mind.
We ready for that new intro, man. Like we about to miss the summer. Like all I'm waiting for is the logo, so we can make shirts and we doing the intro. So tell her to make the logo, y'all. Say make the logo.
I'll make
in the comment section right now. Say make the logo right now.
If y'all haven't been noticing, we've been starting the videos with no intro, and that's because, like I said, I just wanted to start off new. I wanted to, you know, start off with a clean slate. But
I haven't even noticed, honestly.
We gotta do a photo shoot and we gotta do a video shoot.
I just want y'all to know before we go, this is not my nipple. This is a mosquito bite. Do you see it? Look on the camera. That's a mosquito bite.
That's your nipple.
That's a mosquito bite.
Yeah, that's your own nipple tent.
All
right, y'all. So that's it. We out of here. We see y'all later.